Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh word of the day. And today's Welsh word of the day is Oren. 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 Orange in English. Oren or orange. Now, I used to know an interesting fact about orange in that the word orange wasn't introduced until the orange was found, and then they said, oh, so that's what an orange is? Oh, we'll call that after the colour. And I think it used to be called burnt yellow before then, but I'm not sure. It's one of those QI facts that I used to watch and I've completely forgotten, but it was very interesting at the time. But so anyway, look into it, see where the word orange comes from. But in Welsh, it's Oren. A rwy'n hoff iawn o oren. I am very fond of orange as a colour. I think it brightens up the day. Remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy. Hwyl fawr.